lag mai na saulo tan chin to kisai tom kimin kon gen som de hi Caroline Chingthan Moy hi IS trainee 2024 batch ahia Telangana kedar tangin tulela assistant collector na siamin Nizamabad ko salal hi heutunu hi laisam thi ma khat ahia UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023 a clear mind BCom Manipur University Noya topar anhiya MCom leng sangtakin ana zohi khotang sa khwale siamsin ti olmo takmi khaleng ahiya hei teng bana imi isa ti laka enleng ithe khial keile e jet community chini sunga numei tenglaka IS kaluta na anasim ai thik masak pen ahia hoi bana homegrown pen ma chini ma in lam nuselo education hian civil service exam preparation dia kisakol na lam hitale I tubgu na le kukal na omnak le zo e mualdon khwak leng meu tom lo hi chi ama tungton in khat thak thak hinoma heite hi man phapet ma isa hi tuna heutunu tanchin to kisai igen khyak the hei tengkong a hi dinga I ama aman takale ken sau genno loina ahun honla dingen kachia a hi
Hello, Nanzathe Yuya. Nitak Lampha Nakakun. Good evening. Sa penina hichibangon hoyon pia patyan kyanga ki pathui kena. Bana bang webinar session hon sai how to te SSPP how to te na panlak na teo na effort pyak teo why na thale zung na sing teo jakin na kyanga ki pathu kahon gena. Killing aspirant serious tak te lo le confusion nei tak te to ki interact ka kalungbul gi gya hilele khat khata ki hopi so lo ma khat khatan hopi changwa gadong sing le dile hak sa tho engine ki adar le ma hoi ja ka ija platform khata on kai khoma ija aloma chimei ni mo address the ya cha no ta ka hun hoi ta kun ram ta ka hun non saiwa hun ram pa thani non pyang sa ke na ama sa penin ke pa thu ke no ike padmai na disclaimer chi dia ike padmawa kahon clarify kahon game uta oma why he left every journey is unique everybody's journey is unique and there is no one single perfect strategy in UPSC mi sang hadin UPSC clear hile afte kwa simda no ki bang chat lodi adjustments to am ki badlo na ne om the engine if 1000 people clear UPSC it means that there are 1000 ways to clear UPSC eka nang journey nang siam na te mi siam lo mai the bo mi siam na kha nang strength na hi lo mai the whether na mi to ba ki compare lo ta mi hi dan chat copy paste a hi kha adika hi ke amon there are some non-negotiables na hi te ngai chu oma like for example mi tenga consistent ka license khangai te engine syllabus to kitwa ka syllabus and previous year question te hoite ka analyze practice test mock test kong hi khale non negotiable bana revise then revision repeated revision chi kong non negotiable to I can then lam chai discuss diwa there are some non negotiables in the preparation but other things like for example night owls versus early risers no zan so pp sima zingal tho ha ga UPSC clear leom tho ai lo le zan I mu pai zingal tho bai da nga khong a tho wa sima clear le ai lo le medical science optional a clear le geography a clear sociology a clear ke bang commerce and accountancy ke ya commerce a clear the science subject physics a clear the engineering a clear the engine bana ahante kha writing skills lam hoi inchen a hente kha memory o hat inchen writing skills lam banga strong kele ole hi cha figure home map diagram home cha flow chart khong gel sama syam hu cha mark score tho cha dan de wa mention know yourself, know your own strengths and weaknesses, and don't compare yourself to other people, and don't try to copy paste anybody's strategy including mine. So there's no perfect single shot strategy in UPSC. Tailor it according to your needs and according to interest and suitability. Bana ke kha self prepared self study ke hiya. Waja kena ka session le self preparation lam to on kit zoiton de audience. It's a self preparation oriented session. So coaching class la hong na mulay lo le coaching class la ut mag city ya ki shift kin tai lo le ki shift ut chilan de wa confusion ne de na mul kha ke kha asyam pen athe pen ka hi khol ke dia Azakchu and it tot khak lo lampi kha comments back kha hak sa thawin. So this will be a self preparation oriented session. Like I can clarify there, Bana it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It will be a long journey and it will be filled with tears and sweat and suffering. So prepared for this to be a very long journey. Tomchik sima banga sangpi ki khoto ngal jidan dina iki sake duwa mo saupi. Let's be prepared to have a long and difficult journey, but I can assure you that the destination will be very beautiful. Heka thu mai hen la tu na kabang ka PPT kon share dia. Let's get into the preparation. Ka office lo hiam screen ki mo hoi thelo chi khong anom kha kule an genu no. Namo theo ya. How to tin non clarify thay dom ka PPT ki mo le ki mo lo.
He mute.
Okay. Heka screenshot ut na omule screenshot tun la. Ay la PPT le dan kon share ho dia. Book list for GS prelims. I think these are the basic foundation for every UPSC aspirant. I चाहिए ले तम follow na engine ले ले चांग तका थे या abul back to back as थे या हो तका any question that comes from these sources answer थे दित्ता ना यom ना दिया खावन so do था engine mo please don't underestimate it like the basic foundation for UPSC prelims main sale ito base mostly for prelims class 11th and 12th and CRTs hekha adya ka non arts background mo science commerce background dia hoy pet mainchen direct ka hai Lakshmikant spectrum dia ki pat sa nga kha 11th 12th and CRT sa ki pat kha hoy so a language less simple so engine clear mga beginner friendly zo engine hai te aki panon la 11 12 ka arts la ne hi lele hoi taka an simpet ma at hoi taka 11 12 ne hi la ya hoi taka sima clear pet ma ne hi le revise kin la zo hela ma ne ki shift ya hi lele non arts background ne hi ai lo la 11 12 ne hi la ya hoi taka an sim khalo ne hi le ya keep So 11th and 12th and CRTs, then Lakshmikant, Indian Polity, Spectrum, Modern India. I think these are the basic source. And one thing I would like to clear ancient spelling mistake, sorry. One thing I would like to clarify, question art and culture. Art and culture, can source tuam book tuam kasim tuan kaya ancient class 11 and 12 ancient and medieval India arts and culture portion to hey apunam dahiya ancient and medieval India ka arts and culture like every chapter for example Gupta period Maurya period Indus Valley civilization cha chapter tanga ka art and culture to omve engine bo can why art and culture portion te khase ninga atwama art and culture adya textbook to am simlo kahi chi ka kon clarify hi question om second Hating Ramesh Singh, GC Young, Hating Ka. These are the basic books for prelims and newspaper. Newspaper ka annex atwamina current affairs akon discuss sa. Eka screenshot la hey te sim nasim khak lo wa omle. On share here. Current affairs. Current affairs are confusion na tamma ma because there is an endless sea of materials for current affairs in the market. Please don't run after those market materials because it will never end. Current affairs akha newspaper sim kha. It's non-negotiable. It's sign qua non. Newspaper sim kha mga stage khatya de jo hilowa prelims mains interview abeta na newspaper hon tan pi engine kibang newspaper sim habit nei tay nga twa kaching khit nung twa ka kipat nung twale sim lai ka hi news sim lo na ka om the non ke news sim gi ge kha mundanga na mo thelo chimai ni mundanga source danga kine thelo general knowledge broad mindset multi-dimensional aspect on things no any issue that comes up in India or other parts of the world it gives very broad multi-dimensional view of everything that is relevant in our world today that you won't get from compilations or other current affairs materials newspaper sim newspaper regular ta kasim gi ge apil na pen kha munda nga ki mo lo book te ale ki mo chat lo win chen wai kha ya kha prelims to le lo mains to interview wala poi mo pet ma hi lifelong habit thon swak di hi ka newspaper sim kha in a sahet ke diwa a hente the hindu sim ma Indian Express sim le ma wai kha na choose khitak lela na choose pen hoi takin sim den la na choose nai lo khak zin zen ale just they have different styles of writing so take one Hindu one Indian Express read it and whichever one that you are more comfortable that you understand better you pick that one and stick with it example like direct takan pailo lele indirect be kan pan pite te hi chi kha kon lat sakut na example kon include 2023 mains in do you think marriage as a sacrament is losing its value in India chi kha question on taya he direct ka book sim khakti akha ki mo hetlo engine but some months back the Hindu article khato mentioned increasing divorce rate in India and the reasons or the possible causes to the article khato nom khain ma divorce rate cha sangta hey cha tulai Indian society hey om ta this may be the reasons to the article khat kasim kha I could recall that article and based on that article I was able to answer this question so bookish knowledge is a tale of no mention beyond the book ngai to ngai thelo nom demo UPSC main sitale interview itale white akha newspaper you won't get this knowledge and this comprehensive analytical comprehensive analysis on any issue, whether it be social, economic, political. It comes only from reading newspaper regularly. So, here example. And another example is that exam 2023 ma child cuddling is replaced by mobile phones chitan de khalen pa chen while direct book dia ki mulo mo hilele some article I have read somewhere I don't remember when exactly I read the article but I've read an article in the newspaper somewhere about how phones have been replacing parenthood so from that I was able to answer the question so please don't compromise on reading newspaper. Newspaper raka note bolo kha it's optional. Can you note ka bola ke kha ka school life college life hong apan note bolgi ke kahisa ke na habituated to note making, so I make notes from newspaper and heka revise na din le kain on notes te ka jang ha lele heka compulsory hai ki ya newspaper notes bolo wale ching the to mention. It's again this shows how it's this journey is unique for everybody. If you are leaning more towards making notes, very good, make your own notes and use it for revision. But if you are not the note making kind, like if you don't want to make notes from newspapers every day, compilation no, coaching center, reputed coaching center tena notes compilation, current affairs compilation hi zelunjin white to na supplement ya as actual news and kisiminjin. We can't retain anything without the revision, so revision is very necessary. So if you don't make your own notes, please study, please get some compilation. It will be available for free in the internet, some coaching institutes website. Ekaken hi khalo ka hi zakina ka recommend di kha ki apan omchet ki ai lele ka lomte ka na consulta ka batchmate te dongenga e current affairs note bolo te adina compilation on structure so ka chile kha vision IAS compilation hoy hi kan le jang ka hi anchia Eka Vision IAS compilation. Hello, le forum IAS chidan dama reputed coaching center te compilation le hoya hi chika kalom ka batchmate te apan recommendation hiya baka kun share. Plus, don't spend more than 1.5 or 2 hours on newspaper. As I journalize him, the tamloma ama engine. News cho da ka nga gu kong news na baile cho adangte simna di hun tomlo del di mo. And current affairs is only one aspect of the exam. So many other papers, so many other topics are there. So current affairs ka hun tam luana satle adangte static portion te ki compromise diye hi jakina. Current affairs note poll kom news sim ko ma note poll na hile chu 2 hours tan poilo hile le note bollo na hile chu 1.5 hour tan ko nga na conclude ngai hi. But this is easier said than done. I understand that reading newspaper is very, very complicated, especially in the beginning. Simde to simlo de kithe lo mo. We don't know what to read, what not to read. And it's an art that takes time and practice to master it. So UPSC aha news back to back as with night mention. You have to know what to not read because the Hindu bang 12 pages, 14 pages pong isat mo kan chang tang pe ka 12 pages hinjan. 12 pages sabula pa na to patana sim lecho ni khata sim zole ha ka sa din jan ha you have to know what to read. Hai kha advice contact about reading newspaper, about separating what to read and what not to read is that a syllabus na tayo nga mo. UPSC aka bulena convention ka kaya UPSC aka guide hoy pen. The best guide in UPSC is syllabus and previous year question. Hay tigil kan ka na guide hoy thay di lo ya syllabus hoy ta ka na thaya previous year question either be it prelims or mains, previous year question na analyze then do may paper tektenga syllabus hoy taka thedi previous year question analyze the at the hilekha bangte he zo on ki dong kente lo le this is likely to be asked in the exam chikha a sense ka ne do dibo olola. And one other the first criteria is syllabus and previous year question. The other pointer is whether you can relate it with the static portion or not. For example, secularism. Secularism through article khatan pay mo. Simdimo simlodi chi na theud le. Syllabus no syllabus secularism om here, yes. Previous year question of secularism through kidong here, yes. And the third test is static portion na textbook simte UPSC ya book na simte to ki relate hai, yes. So read that article. No. So these are some tips that I can give on newspaper. For current affairs, one national newspaper plus if you don't make notes, compilations of news of a good reputed institution or newspaper own notes na make one you can supplement it one with one monthly magazine just to be safe. Can ka newspaper kasi ma notes. I made my own notes from the newspaper, and I read Pratiyogita Darpan magazine. So these are enough. Newspaper and one compilation. Yay ka na panga material del ngai lo yay teng hoi takasimin hoi takin revised legend. You are done with current affairs. Issue dot nale tam ka mo sekpen ha CSAT hiya. CSAT ka paper 2 hitchen. It's a qualifying paper in prelims. Yay ka balance strikes ya masyam ngai CSAT ha. We need to strike a balance between doing and overdoing. No, please don't neglect it. It will be your doom. It will be to your own doom. She said, "Can neglect lodi as yak a question le hak sa tho when hak sa dete no over the past years. Plus, there are some people who cleared GS1 paper 1 in prelims, but they don't make it because they failed to clear CSAT. But you can't overdo it. Hun tamlo susen papyakle thelo. Why? Because it's a qualifying paper. Full mark mule chile cut off sa it doesn't affect the whether you clear full mark mulele qualifying marks mo to akisha naam lo hinchin. So there's a fine balance that you need to strike in CSAT. Don't underestimate it, but don't give too much and don't overdo it also. After CSAT ngan hi bang hile GSE preparation ka suffer din mo. So here you have to maximize your own strength and work on your weaknesses. Here ka kon explain dia. Humanities student nahi le. You are expected to be good in the comprehension part of CSAT passages, no? Or if you're science background, you are expected to be good in the calculations, the reasoning and all. So, nasyam zogso khat zogso from the age either you are good in English or maths calculation. So, English passage comprehension te syam zo nahi le mo. Why te nasyam na pena kha maximize the score in comprehension and try to pluck the lower hanging fruit in mathematics calculation. What I mean is, humanities student then I'm weak in calculation mathematics and how to prepare for CSAT basic like biggest question engine. Humanities nahi lekha passages comprehension part ka syam din mo. Why ka comprehension part dekha takina practice in takina solve masain la kin the pen na solve in la cha hun lai pe na mo na hun nei comprehension te na solve zo cha nga na hun nei lai tengina calculation they are easy to solve mo then you will be safe. And if you are of science and engineering background, you'll be better in calculations. So do the calculation part, maximize your score in calculation part, and solve the easier passages. So this is my strategy. I am stronger in passages. Kaya comprehension passage te comfortable zo kahiya exam changina passages comprehension te kin the top ina ka kin na ka solve zela by changina hun bang tan ya pom lai te calculation te for solve zel then I clear it. So this should be your strategy. And CSAT paper akha tilkhat na the tilkhat trick chidila hello do common sense na ni tilkhat chumo. CSAT akha 80 questions hinjin. There are 80 questions in CSAT. Out of 80, at least 20, 25 will be very, very, very difficult. 80 lagakha 20. UPSC has this then I in my own experience I feel that UPSC in kha question hak samo mga just to throw off people ni suk nervous na dilo le mga calm cool headed lo te mga confused sak na dia question hak sa tumongwan ko izel dan baka ken ka kana analyze ya adik kelela to mo it's my view that UPSC aka either mains or prelims mo ani question bangza hiam hak sa hon pediu why mu chang inerva sa ibwaya mga i confidence tenga be gaile chu I te a easy zo te in a simkhak te le kisol te lo mo. That is their intention because they want the best of the best. So mentally left strong iPad mind. So in CSAT and also in GS, they will include some questions. Maybe in CSAT, it might be around 20 questions. I don't know. Approximate agon gini here. Question bang raham kahak sadi. Why to throw off people to make them nervous. Hilale haite kha naki super saklode. Because you don't need 20 questions. These difficult questions you don't need to solve. You won't even have time to solve, and even if you can solve. So aveka 80 questions, he said 80 zo aveka, it's almost impossible. Waizaka, hey ha kahak sa me confused na din ma on koiteo mo hilaw le to maintain the difficulty level of the exam koiteo ha nakisupay sa cloud engine. Go for the other questions, the other doable questions. So question na eta kahak sa pin masa first page ano ma he haksad milwa cha na buhay nga la na confidence te nga be nga lecho na thetele dong haksa sa din hi nga sa kina. So don't fall because of these 20-25 questions that are very very difficult. Approach the doable questions. Like one of the advice that I would like to give, and practice kan apo mo here in every stage of the exam, whether prelims, mains, or even interview. So previous year questions take a practice, then take pass. I think the pattern changed from 2013. So 13 apan a latest done a previous year question na solve, and in la solve in la hile banga a question dot teo mo bang banga what kind of questions do they ask, how to approach, what difficulty level are they asking chiteka previous year question analyze na pan na theya bana mock tests are very very important. Hey can like a hidan kha hey tenga. And one book I would recommend, hey book ka kaleya hilele ka hazard tuan ki ka hazard pen chu previous year question ka practice dena, and I solved some mocks. And so these are the tips that I have for CSAT. If you're not good in mathematics, you'll be comfortable in English. If you're not good in English, I have faith that you'll be comfortable in calculation. So maximize your strength, whichever area you are strong in, get maximum marks from that. And in the other section, plug the low hanging fruits and solve the doable questions in the other section. Then later, some insights on prelims. Most aspirants study the same book. India, there are millions and millions of youths preparing for UPSC. To adana देखा अच्छे लोग को आम अमला वही UPSC की prepare ते source source की बांग vaccine engine no UPSC की prepare का like for example Lakshmikant polity, everybody reads Lakshmikant, everybody reads Spectrum. So what sets apart those who are selected and those who are not is revision and practice. The book se mo kibang back de book se mo kibang back mo aspirant den lele hoy taka practice, hoy taka previous year question analyze, hoy taka revision repeatedly te to hite ka aching to chinglo ki kala ki hiyan mo. And because millions of people study the same books, question heti apan on paile. Heti apan question on paile. That your chances of selection will go down. And if some questions come outside these sources, 99% of aspirants won't know the answer. No. So here it's very, very crucial because everybody reads, studies the same. Here sunga omte hoi takana thedi. Here apan hon paine ngele na miss out lo somte thedi. You should know these sources. You should know like the back of your hand, back to back. Tilkat kahon genu ta kaki prepare lai na kauin kabukte mo, like example Lakshmikant banghele Lakshmikant ladi engine aud naman mon hon hong di aud na page aud naman mon hong di engine aud to don dong engine ucha kha You should read it to that level where you know every part of the book, so that if anything happens from if anything comes, any question comes from these sources, you won't miss it. Here polaman paile chu at hello tam zodi jin, so it will equalize again. Keep resources limited. Don't chase after every new material that comes up. Hey ka advice po mo pen te lakakat hiya. Book som nali ya khat vejat nasim sa nga book khat som ve nasim kapatong sa dihi. Because the syllabus is so vast, retention is very, very difficult. Subject, you have to study polity, geography, history, economy, environment. The subject simdi tam lua, book simdi tam lua ha. Na revise repeated revision na ikile nasim sa dele mang hilzeldi, like for example history sim history beta mo history khat be sim zota chile polity sim la chile polity sim zo kha history ana sim sa teng mang hilta chidan kele ho chutho kai because mga isim sa te ke mang hilzel mo mi hi na photographic memoryของเองki lawa hi chang mo. So how to retain material, how to retain what we read is to keep revising. There's no other option, just keep revising. So resources limited the like polity aka Lakshmikant nasim le Lakshmikant sim dano tampi like polity book, excuse me, polity book li nga kong nasim sang ina Lakshmikant tampi ve sim le chen phadwang zo di chen don't like book thak home non mo hey popular pet mai hey pet chan mga ngai sakwat ngai lo mo don't chase after new materials, new books that come in the market. Stick to your resources, keep your resources limited hai ka apoy mo dan uh again saying okay keep limited books like book collect दिया कि prepare नहीं किया exam clear डा कि prepare नहीं या in dim may lo le bang dim ze ni na UPSC books nei le chin le na revise then ki le phatong lo mo instead just one book each for prelims GS, one book for polity, one for modern India white khatang be very similar chin to give an example Lakshmikant polity kha ka ki prepare apan ka clear tana if I'm not mistaken, Som Thumbe Wal Simda Giginta Gahi Kapukle Banga Segahi mo. So you should revise it to that level, then only you will be able to retain the information. And don't follow trends and speculations. Dekha Poibo Mama. UPSC is known for its unpredictability. So, for example, nidanga kha bangkumyam laya kha ancient and medieval India question paingi lo we chu khatle paingi lo bun le o ma khan cha khat khong ni khong pai ta tau second jin pa khamina na neglect ko mong chile suddenly the unpredictability comes into play, and ancient and medieval India question tampi ho namzot mo ta khata or modern India kha tampi pi bisect somle gu chi khong somle nga somle gu khong bisect le tha khata kha li nga cho pai chi da na om second gen. So trends study like previous year hi ha pai geography tampi pai tu kum geography ha sem di adang te ha sem ke le palo chitika. You will be making a grave mistake if you do that. Don't ignore any subject at the price. Don't focus on some subjects at the price of other subjects. Ignore tuang may lo ha sim tuam sim lo pick. Ignore tuang chikong na lo dio. Whatever is in the syllabus, hoy taka na ki prepare di ba? Bang kuma bang subject ilo le bang portion on paizo tia chikit hello ka. So sometimes current affairs bang example current affairs na ha focus lo ata tu kum hello le ning kuma current affairs question tampi pai chi na static portion neglect
Here to know naki unmute naki mute ka bang มันเขียนมิวทักสมัยเดียน
According to Lex,
Non Zetaya? Hello?
that
Koy apan na, commute, koy apan kon repeat it. Which point?
Current affairs to static
ang bangla kita.
units.
Ha? Kon Zeteke, non gentag dam.
Good love.
Imo current affairs
Ha?
static portion hi kuma current affairs
Eh,
slowly. I like it.
Hey. Current affairs question tampi paichi na static portion neglect mo play. Next year current affairs tomchi kon pai khale ki boys di mo chidana don't give too much weightage on uh, don't give too much weightage on some portions, neglecting other portions. So, then prelims to mains na separate kay double mo prepare together prelims and mains. And 3 months before prelims, you can start prelim specific preparation. Revision is the key. Revision and practice. Practice it includes both previous year question and mock test or test series. So the everybody studies the same sources. What differentiates successful and non-successful ones are revision and practice. So exam date pahiya, sleep well, eat and drink properly, be calm, cool-headed in the exam hall, be careful in marking the answers. Hey kon gil ka can kafar sete makha. Answer to dik mo answer kamu adik ten chu tiki ngai lele OMR sheet adik lo ma kha chi kong ka kha awai sa ka kon include here and stay away from discussions during break. Tuna mains kon rush pay media. Mains is the real test in UPSC. Mains ka teng test it tests your knowledge, it tests your ability, your perseverance, your endurance, your writing skills, and it tests your physical and mental strength. So mains is the real deal in UPSC. And once again, kakon remind thak mo that every journey is unique. GS paper atam P score jaka chingle GS average mo hilele optional asang mark tama mo jaka chingle essay to ethics atam P mo jaka chingom chidana know your strengths na strengths akha na maximize na UPSC mo hingi na subject hi tu gawas apeka siam chi khak samai the om to hilele khatlama chaw de chi kha it's human nature mo hilele na siam na tia khat extract maximum results from your strengths. Prelims to mains ki kal pen ka it's very crucial. Here prelims to mains ki kala pangdan kha like na ka pangdi it's the 11th na ka pangdi hai ki kala mo like for example ke kha zan sod laisim jingal thawak te ke hiya dakhat lekim ji tan hong sim zeling a jingal chang kha thawak se inga hilele mains ma mo prelims to mains ki kala chu jingal le thobai just sim top mai ke hi UPSC Denali Convention Ta syllabus and previous year questions. They are like node and stars for guidance. Syllabus hoitakana eta previous year question analyze it. You will know an idea. You will get to know the pattern of examination, the pattern of the questions, how to answer chitika. Syllabus to previous year question apan guama. Syllabus to previous year question in hon guide theta na. One guide I think this should be your best guide. And very important, every serious aspirant should be able to write an answer on every word mentioned in the main syllabus. Main syllabus ka hampat wai mama nakhat ka exam to unpredictable hele hampat wai na main syllabus detail taka ki engine. Just print out the main syllabus and have a copy of the printout syllabus like phone ale athe ilele print out se kha ka de se aja to poi mo lo aja kin mo I document ele apoi mo takte physical akin nei even mo ngai da na kha poi mo lo talent print out ti mo physical copy ya and the hoitaka. So every word mentioned in the main syllabus detailed and but every word taka note body and your preparation should be such that you can write a 10 or 15 marks answer on every word mentioned in the syllabus. Like that like you don't have to like that is the litmus test to know whether your preparation is going well or not. This should be your test. Every word mentioned in the main syllabus, answer na don't diya mo. And don't give thoughts to speculations. Kung nga ka rumor ang gigi mo, main sa ka. Like, may so lalo, prelims later, like, optional papers, subaitik tao, hilo le. Answer ka, artificial intelligence in check hi jidan na rumors kong tam matam chan gossip, rumors, nonsense kong tam matam din chen. You should not, like, ngai sa klo. Dimo ete kong ngai sa ka, like, optional ki abolish diya hi jiging tayo na simke la on ki abolish ke le bang clear demo. So don't give thoughts to speculations. And hey, optional paper kha hon dong kha na om khachet KY if I remember correctly. Hilele apoy mo sa kina kon include the optional paper. Choice of optional. The background subject for college ana simpin mo. The background subject kha lunglu thwai na sa ba na college kailaya hotak decently na study thole mga adang nga ito at ngay lo na the background subject maalala na it saves lots of time and energy and effort. So if you're interested in your background subject and you have decent knowledge, decent grasp over the subject, then don't think too much. Just take this subject. And hilele, for example, the background subject pen optional list hello ya mahilo le na na subject pen ka lunglut no lo ma or adang hi ut lo ta mo hai lo len na college ka la an na sim hoi ma lo thei to an lo bang nei khang zen zen ale subject kha na choose ngai din chin next Amazira. It depends kasa agilele. I can give you some 2-3 tips on how to choose the optional paper. First, consider two things: your interest in the subject and previous year marks. Right? Nalunglut kayle to parte nalag ka nalag tite de chui tan lo hilele nalunglut tak taka banga record le hoi tho hile why pendalage. So interest matters because other papers are generalist level. Deep on do paper GS te form mo. But optional paper is deep, in depth. They will ask in depth questions. So if you are not interested, studying will become very, very difficult. And it's like your life partner. It's like your partner for the preparation journey. It will be with you the entire journey. You'll have to keep repeating the same thing over and over again until you clear. So you have to like that subject. So interest and liking is very important. Nalunglu na nila bana record no record of the people who cleared like here optional la magbang sa mudang piwa chi kong lecho and the end hold them but the main is interest. So my advice will be subject to am kisim heaven no we read history, we read polity, we read geography. So take 2 or 3 subjects that you like the most. Subject ni letum nangai to atam on the brainstorm da 2 or 3 subjects that you like most, you select them and you see 2 things: see the syllabus of that optional and see the previous year question. Then you will get an idea, oh, this one is doable, I can do this one. So nalunglut subject de up syllabus to previous year paper in la ให้เป็นลุงรูดไว้เราให้เป็น not mail ให้เป็นกระติกโซที่ till the end of preparation จะนะฮิเล just make the decision and go with the decision, live with the decision and work on it. Optional ka keng lo di because it's an in-depth paper, so if you change your optional it will waste lots of energy and efforts. So just and be done with that decision and start preparation. And Priority areas in mains. Say ethics and optional are priority areas. Like on Gena Chile, uh, prelims like clear. Pana main sa dia ho taka serious taka kisa hall ki prepare take ha GS1, GS2, GS3 ka in knowledge level ke bang vaccine tamo. So people who clear prelims and who are preparing very, very seriously for mains, we have broadly same level of knowledge in GS 1, 2, 3. And GS 1, 2, 3 marks uh, very two very wide difference in marks ka hakaksa mo ahi thelo long ram chilo wele haksa engine. It's difficult to score two wide ranging the different marks in GS 1 to 3. So essay ethics to optional akha na score na maximize take 19 mains pyak akha hey ten tum kha focus di, but I don't mean that. Please don't think that I'm telling you to neglect GS 1 2 3. GS 1 2 3 to nasim ngay in nasim demo practice this sim the notes le bol di hilele. What my point is, essay ethics to optional kha very like high marks above average pe na score take na the chance engine was a kahit teng thum kha priority behind la optional bang chu optional kha abang khat pe nahi ya marks range mark at a white na pen engine mo difference a clear te to clear lo te lo le mark ki shyad na pen kha optional engine. So try to maximize your score in mains in these three papers. Kaya ka main sa dia note board na di dance slide ya. UPSC main danale kun ginta UPSC main syllabus nalakhe dia. That will be your best friend in your preparation. Word for word I can mention it. Why word they nala dia? Just note down that word and make 2-page notes on that word. These are the standard format. Heka abang khat zira na just the topic zira. Like for example, I've taken poverty. This is how your note should go. Like you can add more, but this is the basic standard format. Meaning, what is poverty? Poverty bangan na define thing na mo. What is poverty? If question comes on poverty, you should know what like the meaning, how to define that poverty. And quote some quote to beautify the answer. No, poverty is the worst form of violence by Mahatma Gandhi. And some data. Data is very, very important. It strengthens your answer and it shows that you know about that thing. You know what you're talking about. So data shows that you know what you're talking about. So always, like whenever possible, most of the time, always include data in your notes and in your answers also. Like if the topic is poverty, you should include World Bank definition of poverty, how much percentage of people in India and the world live in poverty, the latest figure. Hey, keep updating, okay, according to the recent happenings. Like it used to be 16%, now it's somewhere 5%. So keep updates engine more ranking India's what is India's rank in poverty indexes. Which rank is India? Hey, like the engine. So keep updating according to the changing times. And causes and effects. What are the causes of poverty? What are its effects? Hey, a body ka main body engine. Whenever you write main bodies, whether it's for making notes or whether it's in your answer, it should always be multidimensional. Excuse me. Your note should always cover historical, political, geographical, economical, cultural, demographic. You should like be very broad based and multidimensional in your approach. Like don't focus only on one aspect. You should include every possible aspects because that's what is required of you as an officer to be broad minded and very multidimensional. So causes and effects, historical, political, geographical, etc. And geographical areas like which parts of the world and which parts of India have more poor people. And schemes and policies are very important for everything, like almost everything. The government of India has some scheme or some policies on how to deal with that. For poverty, we have Narega, We have NAREGA, we have National Urban Livelihood Mission, Rural Livelihood Mission, pension, etc., etc. So you have to know whatever topic, whatever problem, whatever cause, you should know what government is doing for that. Schemes, like 4 or 5 schemes should be at the tip of your fingers. You should know schemes for every topic and every issue, policies and schemes to tackle poverty and challenges. What are the obstacles we are facing in our fight against poverty, and any recent news, if maybe the poverty line has been changed, or maybe the percentage of poor people have decreased or increased. News, any recent news happening in poverty, and suggestions and way forward. I think it's like basic standard. Keep updating, like sticky notes, space om nolo, na note space om nolo lele. You can use sticky notes and just space and write the recent news or some changes, big changes happening in that topic. That's enough. And suggestions and way forward. You should adjust according to the topic. For example, advantages and disadvantages le hi the mo. The poverty advantage si om lo di hi chang ina ya ju relevant low engine. So according to the topic, adjust the notes, keep updating the notes based on new information that you get, based on news, and keep revising. Book list let you can share ya main sa hilale. One thing is time ka limited lo engine answer writing practice le hi ngai, reading le hi ngai hi ti tam lo mama engine a book va ki pen ai cha long paragraph te va ki sim man non te lo hi ya was a note making point mo pet engine make crisp, short, and like to the point notes in bullet points, and keep revising. Why te lo ngal ki revise man no lo engine was a ka note making point mo lo te hi. And answer writing practice. Main sa dia poemo pen asim sang ale poemo zo like equal la hilok top lele poemo zo din kaging ta as actual. Mains is a game of writing skills. The real challenge will be to finish on time with legible handwriting. Uh, Mains is a game of writing skills. It doesn't matter how vast your knowledge is, how deep your knowledge is. If you can't write it down on the day of the exam, the examiner won't know that you have so much knowledge. He knows only what you are writing on that answer paper. So it's a game of writing skills. Na idea mo, na knowledge ka very limited time very limited time na convey man di. That's the real challenge in mains. 250 marks here, GS. Like every paper is 250 marks, 3 hours, and 10 marks to 15 marks. 10 marks a question someone pay engine, 15 marks a less someone pay. So we have 180 minutes. If we break it down, it comes to this. 10 marks ka 7 minutes as otitingay. 15 marks ka 11 minutes as otitingay. Just wrap up the answer in 7 minutes if it's 10 marks, or wrap up the answer in 11 minutes if it's 15 marks. Your target should be to complete the question, to complete the paper. Analyzing and practicing previous year question. I then in kina most important po mo logic in kon repeat no dia previous year question te and legend bang question kidonga. What do they expect out of you? You will understand that when you see the previous year question and practice the previous year question. And this series join ka po mo kasat nga self evaluation ka hit lo na, like you can't criticize your own work. Nang ka hoy na hit to gel din mo answer wa ka nang mamay na why not criticize or not check the like it's not ideal. So if you have somebody, maybe some mga civil servant na tanaom hiya ilo le nakiklose bi om kong hilala ama check sa thelo attention leleng. If there's nobody to check your answer for you, I suggest you join a test series. You can do it online, it's no issue with today's facilities, online facilities and all. It's not necessary to go somewhere and join the classes or sit the test in physical mode anymore. You can do everything online. The series aka main sa essay GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 adina insights IAS online test series kha nga ve group ve yam ke kha like they will give the question and kha answer gal din picture la di engine upload the mo email at on the kha check on check do engine marks and pe do engine they will give feedback but kha it's good because the demand what UPSC demands, what kind of answers you have to write, and how to structure your thought process. There's too limited time. How do you even, think, and how do you put that in paper? Like practice na engine mo. So you join test series if you are a beginner, like if it's your first mains or even if you have given before you can still join, but especially if it's your first time, please join. And uh, if you are in Delhi or something, you can go offline, but offline doesn't matter, it's the same only. Just be true to yourself. Like when you test nahi chang na and coma hi chikongan nahi kaya, or don't lie to yourself, be honest to yourself. Just keep evaluating your mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Practice agar recommendation nahi at least 2 essays, one full-length paper of ethics, one full-length optional paper, 1 and 2 every week. As after the nakon gen mabanga ethics essay to optional ka score maximize the na engine. Heka prelims o chang hi o ka china. Prelims domains ki kala kha ethics to optional to essay kal tingin na khadebek na gelda. GS 1 to 3 can be done in like 2 kal GS 1 or a next week a later week pen alternate weeks I check in quality, or you can write 2-3 answers in one day or 3-4 answers in one day. Adjustments thinking both engine nilele essay ethics to optional ka every week and the time between prelims and mains is crucial. It will make or break your result. Standard format of mains answer. It's not a one-shot formula, but it's the standard format for most questions. Introduction, 1 or 2 lines. Meaning mo. 1 or 2 lines of instruction. Mga recent happenings, some data or some quote or some meaning. You can write don't write long introductions. It's not required at all. 1 or 2 lines are more than enough. And the body, leave space and start the body. The body depends entirely on the question, because a question totanzira a body in a structure na engine. If they are asking advantages and disadvantages on dot differentiate a chile table bolilla differentiate legend or causes and effect on dot. If they ask you to critically analyze something, the body depends entirely on the question. Don't beat around the bush. Don't write what is not asked. For example, advantages, disadvantages on Donglopiwa. If they ask for cause and effect get lower. Heitigil never get mokle. And it's not what they want also. Or if they're asking you to differentiate, don't write advantages, disadvantages. If they're asking you to critically analyze something, don't write differentiate. No, don't write like something which is entirely unrelated. Just hit to the point. Just hit it to the point. Don't beat around the bush. Hit the point. The main point will be in the question. Just hit that question. Hit that point, and write in be multidimensional in your answer. Whatever answer you give, unless they specifically ask like specifically economic reasons choon dong bang hile mo. Well, economic reasons and the focus the economic reasons atam the bang na pek mo reason hilele economic chauge non chilawa economic kya get di. Or if they specifically ask what cultural causes or cultural aspects, then write cultural. But unless they specifically ask one aspect, please don't focus on one aspect alone. Just be as multidimensional as possible. Give your answer in these very wide ranging aspects. answer point wise and underline important wise. Hey, very very important for clarity and a check to tia jale check nop sakma ma hi. Point wise agad di ba na point tia keyword most important word 1 or 2 words, it can be 3 words also, just underline that. Point out a check to in check no pasak lekha mark na mo tam na dikas, it's likely that you'll get higher marks. So answer point wise, underline the important wise. And handwriting to baho is it that low, because due to the paucity of time it's very difficult to write very good handwriting. So just as long as it's readable, illegible, as long as it's decent, it's okay. And maps and diagrams ka a question to kitwale mo. Maps, diagrams, a question to kitwale include the, like for example, they ask if ports ka jamo may pa mark kanwamich. So if the question is about ports, for example, just draw a rough map and mark the ports there. A question to kitwak lo PPA map diagram kung include high detail, but if it's suited to the question, then please include, you'll get more marks. And in the conclusion, you wrap up the entire answer in 2 or 3 lines. But one thing is, even if they ask you to critically analyze, or even if they ask you the challenges, the issues of something, please always give positive conclusion. You have to be optimistic. Okay, in conclusion, Saul Waling Ilo, just give 2 3, like wrap up the answer. It's like you introduction, and in the introduction and the body you wrap a gift, and the conclusion is the bow in the gift. No? So just wrap up the entire question in a bow, neat little bow, and present that answer. Mains it's very very challenging physically and emotionally. It's very very exhausting mentally, physically, emotionally. So you have to be very very strong here in mains. You write continuously for days and days. So you have to be very strong here. I've read this quote somewhere, and before I wrote mains, I didn't understand it that much. But when I wrote mains, I understand. Write with your hand, and when your hand can't go on, write with your heart and soul. Na khut kham lo ma cha move thay no lo ze na ki kong ko gai kong anom di mo na khut answer na ha la ka le physically na fail dek changa na lung tang to na ton halung tang to na lung sim hat na get di mo, just keep writing and complete the paper. Sample answer format, I have taken here example 2023 bakon la. Why did human development fail to keep pace with economic development in India? This is 2023 mains paper. They're asking about human development and economic development. Bangzaka economic development le hilale human development ka hey del phazolo mo. Human development in ka economic development del phazolo mo. Why is that? They're asking. So this is how you should answer. Despite being the 4th largest economy in the world with $3.9 trillion economy, India ranks 130th in Human Development Index. This is a very strong introduction because it shows that you have knowledge, you have data backing your answer, and you have facts. So this is strong intro. The examiner, if you write this as an intro, the examiner will think that okay, this person knows what he's writing about. So data is very important to strengthen your answer and your point of view. So it's an introduction. See, only in one line, we have included 1, 2, 3 datas and facts. So this is strong. And heka introduction zo himay mo. Very short and crisp, but very strong introduction. Punch. Just hitting the point. No? Then the body will go like this. They're asking the reason. They're not asking cause, effect, analyze, whatnot. So your first focus should be the why, the reasons. So you should give the reasons in the body, give social, economic, demographic, political, historical, cultural, geographical, give and every as broad as you can, give the reasons. Then you conclude something like this. Despite mounting challenges, India has made significant progress in addressing these concerns through the so-and-so schemes. This and that improvements have has been seen in recent years. With will and determination, even better results can be achieved in future. See, it's they're asking about something which India is lagging behind in. We are lagging behind in Human Development Index. And you are telling all the reasons here. But when you conclude, the conclusion ka positive, forward thinking, and as an officer, the mindset of an officer. No? As officers, we are the ones who will be dealing with all these challenges, all these issues. So you can't focus only on negative things. Yes, you should know challenges, you should know difficulties, and you should know the issues we are facing, but you should have positive mindset because you will be the one dealing with those challenges. Books, hey, books dekha. I told you before, although some additional books are there for mains, um, apart from the prelims book, they're relevant like how in mains are dale, ethics are dekha Arihant, GS 123 also I read Arihant. But as I told you before, since the books are very lengthy and there's so limited time and we have to spend so much time on writing practice, we don't have time to keep going to these books anymore. So your own notes will play a very huge role because they are very easy to revise, short crisps and to the point and updated notes. These will be the key the key resources for your mains. And you can kasi mga noam kasagwat siya ka kon include him mahiya na simki walele no too. And my optional was commerce and accountancy. And since every optional is different, Tuna can no commerce optional lo tia de on share moklang relevant lo de na. If anybody has commerce and accountancy optional, you can contact me. I will share my book list and strategies, but I will leave it aside for now because it's different for every subject. So newspaper, apoy mo dan kaon gekin mo. Like in the mains paper, I came across a question and I could relate it with some article that I read 1 year ago, 6 months ago, 2 years ago. Simka article mo, why two and simka, why fatwa, like to a kitchen chena, kaya pananswer ka chan. The Hong engine, it will help you directly and indirectly. So please don't neglect newspaper. We'll come to interview now. Interview ka namizya mo, na personality, civil service adina, na suited ya jites na engine. Interview what I prepare accessing more because it's very confusing. There's no syllabus in interview, so we don't know what to read, what not to read, what to do. It's like it can be very confusing, and I understand. But basically, the personality on test mo. And what you can do is you can revise your optional and background subject. Same thing happened with me. They asked me lots and lots of questions about commerce, finance, accounting, e-commerce, and everything. And I spoke to some of my friends also. They got questions about their background subject, like for example, engineer banga mo, engineering to pendong or optional leon dong tayo, background subject leon dong tayo. So brush up on your knowledge. The background subject simkhanol, for example, physics background here, to optional la geography hiyam lada ibang nahi khavun dali physics a basic debate kuba simnon in lamo. Then be in touch with your optional and background subject and keep in touch with current affairs, news simkha khol ni lodi, just keep reading newspaper and know yourself inside out. Main clear chang aha daf tu kichi form on fill up sa punchin. It has everything socio-economic, so many data. It has any feel engine mo ka kuya class 10 tan kuya nako sa college kuya kay or rural area mo, urban area mo, lole hobbies, service preferences, everything is filled in dev 2. Interview ay pa chang aha dev 2 ay form I fill up ka. Interview boten amawai cha enunjin pa na ututuan dong hiya. So every topic, every word mentioned in the dev 2, you should be very clear. Just make probable questions from your dev and just keep practicing. Be honest, pleasant, calm, confident, polite, optimistic. And at last, if you have honesty and a sense of service in your heart, you'll do fine. Just be Keep smiling, be pleasant, be professional, be confident. Eka mga prepare tung tia dia relevant lo bang nine chen hilele just work on your personality, develop good hobbies, productive hobbies. Okay, then this will come later on. You can prepare for this later. Hey quote khad le kha kasim laya le on motivate gi ke khat kon share uta ka ppt be dek to kitonina men and women who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long, who toil while others sleep, who dare while others flee. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift it to the sky. Uh, Numelin pasal hila mo mi truth and honor adi diktat na to honor kay pawag ka leksam chat kaya mga twak hat mo kip takading nga twak hat mana mi imut ka mi toldam ka mi nopsak kala ama na sem nget mo mi ngam lop te ngam mo who dare to do what others run away from white mo so twak hat do zo twak hat le do zo taka mi nopsak mi toldam kala na sem ngeta mi ngam lo te ngama mi tai mang na a ding ngam ten kha nam le gama dia akhwam kip taka puta van tung sang tan dom to hi chi khai ya this is like a quote that I really love and it motivated me a lot during my preparation also. I hope it can motivate you to some extent as well and apply it also in your real life. And last but not the least, nang nahi kele kwa hi tuan dia, tuan nahi kele bang chikcha nahi tuan dia mo. So all the best everyone. Thank you so much. Ka
Hi
ka PPT ka
pawai
hay
pin
tingin ka PPT ka hay tingin ko so oh pake
wala. Nagi pawai pin ma kun tomchik sungina hutanun zautak hun cover heidan guidance si online atampi ni omzen hinapi bangtana ilam context ada relevant chi ki hap pi khataya ikipat nale background kena pizo hutanun hun game tehi man phadiak in ibin ka hi tuna Q&A session ilot ngal ding mo Q&A session hi effective taka kisat soma hina Harris honglut sa te chi lo ak bangma tunia lak kisomno lo phata hi ahia no ten ne yom le chat box heutunu email id hong ki ko heading ahia hoya chiklai to heutunu dot gi ding hi chi kongen masa ahia tunia session ding ain dot na tom tampi kimwa questions te hi team wise kon khenu hun safe ding ina questions te hi honki reframe thaka hi hoi bana heutunun dena session hon cover hit sa te ai thei tana to honki leave out so ma hi first theme in a lut ngal dia the ideal time to begin preparing for UPSC civil services exam chi here. When does one start preparing for exam? Hey, dina dong hin dan ni kia ili out my dinga. As again I loot dinga. What are your opinions on possessing a master's degree? Do you think this is a waste of time for those interested in giving the exam?
First penale comment kon pe uta mo class 11 12 om lighten ka UPSC lam not ki prepare do kon advice kiya because it's very mentally exhausting. You have to be mature first, like you need that maturity to begin this very stressful journey. So class 11 and 12 na hiule na subject to na sim na school subject pero hoy takinon simple la don't deep dive into UPSC yet and develop hobbies, very healthy hobbies, reading book tom tom phong simula, writing, do journaling, ahilaw le sports kong badminton, football, sports kong ale cha. Hobby tam develop prominent na subject yawan simpatun la. I don't recommend for class 11, 12 and graduate hi laitia dina for class first year, second year te kong le mga kiha prepare luat ngai ka nas kasanay ki ay le no na ud le chu hi thelo chi chu hi tuan lo mo ile why I said this is because na graduation subject pe no ita kanon simule then cha nga optional ala to the chinwa optional na graduate na simsa pen na hile it will save lots of time, lots of energy, and it will help you lots in the mains and give you more time to focus on the GS papers also. So college ka chizak UPSC ke prepare na lo chizak ka nasim teo bang makatwam lo hilo main sa optional lak to the dit zeni na on ha simula siam takin na subject pen one sim leo jing from final year college final year apan newspaper hong simpan taw la mo if you are from non-arts stream you can start reading 11 12 NCERTs from final year with newspapers but the real full-on preparation graduation zo chang ki prepare ka my recommendation is that thank you and master's degree के लिए master's degree नहीं कही ka graduate zo ina masters hi ko mina UPSC ka ki prepare it's a bit hectic master up penle sim ngai class level hak zel ngai assignment kong exam kong test kong leon bhai kum ko mai UPSC ki prepare ngai chidan it a hectic pet na gim bhai lo dela yulele mga laisim chi atho na ompol ke amo laisim thon chi omlo inchin masters to UPSC juggle form the da nagiging dadle asad na dilyom ton lo but masters having a master's degree in service le promotion na bangma apatwang like bangma I help na ton lo inchin degree ne inakle it's equal so promotion wise service preference wise chikong achu bangma effect omlo chui it's personal choice if you want you can do it along with UPSC but if you don't think you can manage both then it's not necessary to hold master's degree.
Okay. Tuna second team I load there on preparations here. The first preparation for starters done here. On P cover him done time management pen and address so
कोई
daily
पेन है
routine time
daily
management
time
daily
management
routine
daily routine ma'am
uh,
me ging tat bang lo daw ina chame ne can like routine mo like wake up at this time brush teeth study chite ka kanai het kaya what I did was target kanaya mo ni khata atom pe na at least dakal gyat license de chi ka target yan minimum 8 hours a day I have to study that was my target and timer app khat ka janga ka phone na ka like sim janga on zel ka sim ka rest jang ko nga off zel mo ka ka daily target ka achieve 8 hours ka achieve jang ina I give myself freedom of choice whether to keep studying or to take rest ha ke kha dam the khol lo se ke da ni dang ma banga dakal gya zo chak ka ba pe ma hun dakal gya ka sim zo chak ka ba pe ma hun de o ma ai lo le shen chang ka lung lut lot ma ai lo le ka dam the ngai azir de chang ina dakal gya zo chang le ka sim to lai thua but my benchmark was 8 hours after I studied 8 hours I have freedom of choice whether to take rest or whether to go for walk or go to church or do what I want. But 8 hours, I don't compromise on that unless I'm like dam lo him kung kahi 8 hours to compromise ngay kaya just as actual mi hingi hinjin robot kung kihizen lo hinjin mo cha hich pang an strict timeline minute som tan zen a zui zen ka kan kade kol kaya like for example asyan jang azin kala mai fuak pa chang atam de usin mo hello le khen chang summer chang bang sunja lum lo zen jen sunja sim kha hak sa mo so why chang azin ka to zan chang so sim zele lo le khen cha zana lung lut lai ni cha so pi sim da ang hi lam tan sim zin ka tho hak le poi ton lo just tailor adjusted according to the needs of the time like ni khatai cha dakal cha hai una hano di hai una simpi don di chite chu ka hi kia just time mo just give yourself a benchmark that you will complete and mga na lunglu dan zira le adjust hekla de
ale
okay
tuna siset na chay address kan tuna
non-veg
hmm
non-veg teacher message will be distant
arts and culture right like address science and technology to kisaya answer writing lang bagsin mapasa
science and technology ka le deep takathe down expect on lo the most important aspect of science and technology part is current developments no new developments technology relevant attack ko hai lo le Nobel Prize on this and science hai lo le India ina spacecraft thak launch ti ko ma very relevant for today's world in terms of our country or all over the world chi dekha poimo dia kimjin kele science background kane ke ya science de mga katempai lwan na lam le ke ya but as future officers as future administrators science and technology i aware ngai mo ba na lunglut le ngai as science and technology in i fateng effect ta so you should have a decent level of interest and decent level of knowledge in this but you don't have to be study it very deeply just study the recent developments and India's achievements what is India doing in future or what is happening in the world that is very relevant chiteka hunani science na demo
next mapping geography mga mapping na focus de nga exam de mo
om lo map kamo means chang ka time limited lo zazen engine map na la le ki jo man lo just what you should do is rough takamo he mo na he yom chi point he na din tan na hi thele poilo hi and answer tengting ala map ngai tuan lo engine denakon ken ma banga a question to le ki sud de ngai mo a question na like map lam to kisai me bang ba ki dong lo map ba include te le ngai ton lo but if it's relevant to the question and you include maps it will be plus point and it will score a little bit more marks because of the map and a question zero now I pen ka banga bangkhat focus lo at sa zin ngai lo le apoy mo le na hi te tho di
okay next theme I leading next theme ka mental health emotional well-being and staying motivated during preparation siya niya yan ka follow mo ay kinaklik siya may tayo ng journey na experience ko mo first na how long was your prep and number of attempts if you're okay with sharing this with us and how do you stay motivated and disciplined in writing it
ki prepare apan final result kaching ki kaha kumthum balse kumthum le khathum khong lo tension so I prepared for three and a half years between these two and kani vehi na chingkahi ya amasa aina prelims sale ka chingke ya and then again the basic foundation is prelims book list kong kon tawai mo wai khai cha I at le page khat le dim zo lo tom chik ma bang engine le wai ten hoi taka back to back ka the hoi taka the na dia ha hon so pi lu tension ke ka long sim hat lo adam no bang no sang like ke sang le no siam zo mai the no hun tom la zo mai the like in my case a basic foundation hoi taka strong taka ka ne na dia ha kum khat lekin kum ni bang lu zo engine abuk yet le tom chik phana engine like it room let na dia on so do it no so it took me like 1.5-2 years to build a strong foundation and after that it's more of revision and practice and updating knowledge engine so basically it took me 3.5 years and twice so how do you stay motivated and discipline apoy mo maahiya UPSC haksat na ka a syllabus vast line chin bana huge competition mo at aspirants tam bana syllabus vast lo ahak sachi lama kha it's not rocket science, it's not something that is beyond comprehension, so hoy taka isim nag lagi the mo banga a material day. That the challenge is consistency, studying day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. It's easier said than done, but consistent taka sim hoy ka hak sa ped maya. Like, again to abang kalo ching kita ka gen le bang no man wam ba bang le hun lai ta ka top hun khong le om se ka sim pe lo wa cha ka hun na hello le tu ni zo ka sim pe ki lo ma ji khong a ka men zen na sim hun khong le om tau in chin but mi hi na mo he te khong om di mai ya le if you want what's at the end of the road, you have to walk the road. There is no other option. Hard work, consistency, hello, kirangamlo. And people often ask me the secret strategy or what tips and all, but honestly, I have no tip, no secret. Only thing is good old hard work and consistency are still relevant even today. Mga hay discipline to consistency ka as ching to ching law te ki separate na hinchin motivation ka nang min hon sol hat zia nanu le na pa na in content ayes dian de zia ka hilo le mga mi lo ching te khong na mo zia khong an na ki prepare le the motivation pen ka so dialogue din chin that internal sense of purpose and desire to serve should come from the heart. Nalungsim to nga pa na nautak taka cha bigger purpose, higher ideal na daily. Why penin hon sustain di mo the internal fire hat chun ne nga him chin you have to have the spirit and fire inside you that other outside forces can't burn down can't kill that fire mo which to kan nasunga ka may kwang pen ka kwa man asuk min solo ngayon chin you have to have that ambition and that determination bana ka what khat ka motivation will make you start and discipline will keep you going, will make you stay. Abula ka motivation anomdi telele na hi consistent taka year after year failure after failure and continue na dachu discipline on hindi engine and sacrifices mo or sacrifices chung ai lo tel tham thil sacrifice lo wat hoi mo di om lo in chin no am ta ka mo di hile mi tengin mo di ahia ahak sa jak sacrifice dia tam jak ta ka banga mi tengin na hi zolo u ahia hile if you sacrifice if you have discipline and determination and consistency it's not impossible. And in this age of distraction, those who focus will win. Distract na tamlota social media is there. But gen le ngai lo wa distraction chui the bek sa chin na hun tam la pen banga wai cho na nga ta distraction ni me we all have different distractions gente social media aboy gente here aboy gente hoy aboy it's personal for everyone na distraction pen ka na hun tam la pen na maban na build na di hon prevent pen ka na nga distraction ni may engine hoy pen na let go ngai ka na sacrifice di may engine mo we all have different issues different things to deal with so why na goal pen hon prevent to pen ka na sacrifice di may engine mo na nga. Then there is a time for everything. Like tuban kumsom cha pang thak le hak salo tadi mo lai sim hunom inchin enjoy hunom lai sim hunom nopsak hunom suffer hunom why ka namaban ena nababana na ud na pen na tung na dia obstacle tenteng na sacrifice naman inchin burnout chile kwama daka som ni leli license the om lo ai na ken le chen ka sim tuan ke ya ka ki rejuvenate ka ki sukhal thak zel na dina music banga la khong ai zel mo in kong khong a walking zel journaling I like journaling so journal khong ge zel bana Biakin kaizil mo Sunday jang ko nga biakin pa kaizil thumna ni zil which mga we have hecho a udan zira like sports lungnod bang hile ka khata khat be kong ki distress na di kom ki refresh na di kom mga sports kong khat be kong bagi mozal the zil mo I burnout wa changa kha because like do some productive things that calms you down and freshens you which you amazing rai mai dia hitale take breaks like dakalni sima 15 minutes 20 minutes phone call dakal thum sila sima 30 minutes phone call chidan na break kong la zelle wale burnout prevent khatin or you can take 1 day off after 10 days chikong so you adjust it according to your requirements and lo sap na kong to chang kha ahak sa pet ma hinale faith kha poi mo pet ma engine kan mi hinglama ka the to swai na he kana ka pang de da no mi lo hi chi di khop tan na ipang le aban ding pa thian no an hi sak de hi chi ging ta na to ikal swan di wa ke siam ka sam lo ja ka chingling ka hi twan kia pa thian na ka the na to tam lo chik tom chik te thon ba zo sak ja ka he dan tung kha ke ya pa thian min pa tu tom hen la bana thil khat mental health tole kisai mo stress khong tole kisai advice kon pya kut khat ma wife ha please work hard in silence like again ta thil khat ka notice kha aspirant UPSC aspirant hi lam status khong post de nai lo le mi dang in thei chi kha I feel personally feel it's very stressful as actual failure talk dale ki ko di hiya I fail changa chen ngai to le chen kwa man na fail lam thei lo nang le na in kwan hon de sak tak tak tom chik te cho in thei yu hon motivate mo ma on chi le cha tho ki kha nuam zo de we chu I fail mi teng in thei bang hi le mo mi teng in thei bang le koi pe na tho ki khak sa zo di koi pe na tho ki nok sa ja mo so work hard in silence ja na ching ja ka na min khong on ke thang za khong he le why that is just let your success make the noise and na ki prepare song na struggle song na work hard like song kha dai takina mo work hard in silence if you fail in silence recover in silence get up in silence try again in silence ek tip khat kon pya ko de yeah it saves lots of stress also and it will give you lots of privacy also and personal struggles to masapena health lam mahidya hileleng mga pathianin hanom pichang inai thelo bang maom kia ijaken abula ka ki prepare dia ka kisak tung lai khong ina kadam thelo to hak samadhi lo le chingbang hi taling le asep le hak samadhi chi khong kha ke mi hing lama ka ngai to ahia mo le pathianin ai thelo bang ma om lo in chen dam thelo hello le hat lo kisa kom kom khong ai cha olo la hon hi the chen kadam kholo na pen chu pathian zara hi the ta mo bana ina pan ki prepare hi na ashan changa shortage of resources ai lo le ki prepare hak sa thun khong le tam tho in chen but I want to emphasize that this is the beauty of UPSC and this is the beauty of India that it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, as long as you have determination and will, you can achieve anything. Like a remote corner of the country, apan kipanne lo le village khota khata tuwa laising le. If you do what is needed, if you work hard, you will हो जाएंगे. It will achieve zodi. This is the beauty of UPSC, the beauty of India.
Okay. Actually, next theme I did is a career choice here. What inspired you to join the civil services? Have you always wanted to be an ICE officer? And do you have any advice for young aspirants?
The graduation last year phong apa na ka ngai to patahiya ka graduate so serious ta ka kisapan ka hi chak ka childhood dream anahi kaloma is ka uh, advice for young aspirants ka nahin kwa purpose nei takin nahin dia tup ki chan nim ki chan omlowa ihing chang kha I potential tengle ki ways gai mo because you need goal and you need purpose to anchor you when you get confused and when you get lost. So tup ki chan utna ki chan uh, uh, aim what takinan hon name hotunla IAS say he I don't know there are lots of other options as well. Hilale na tupu non the patimim doa why na tuppe no tang tung na din na hon pang chita ken non pang dua pang teng dua clear chinle just keep going and sense of service whichever like civil service say you know but whatever career path you choose please have sense of service in your heart and that will keep you going when things get tough and backup plan chị chú cái ngày tọa đó là khá thùng bê nó thùng bê hội tất cả thiếu đăng ngày tọa là thùng bê hội tất cả bạc phật điện chính thùng bê cái clear cái lệ đăng ngày tọa thì chắc là cái ngày tọa xin chưa hi á chắc chú adang bang bangai to alowa he chok ki prepare le ka recommend chat ki ya he le chilang to hi kom koma prepare de he hak salo hi chang ne namo so at least thumbe live hey if financial background zir le hi tho ka thei sia ma azak chu hak sa de te bang kum thum kum li khong unemployed ta om le in sung boy chi khong le om la tel mo if family background and le thu bol tel chi ka thei sam la tela ilala I would recommend please give at least 3 attempts wholeheartedly without other distractions like tampi ve khong zo chang adang lai ta chu it's the safest way. Number 3 pendong di mo
ให้เขาน่าต้องคลิปสปีกกันแล้ว
lo na di thuam ta lo le Hindi is not an obstacle UPSC mother of exams clear zone hi le chu language learn to ba phelo di the mama nahi don't get discouraged by this
โอเคอีที่เล็กปากที่เลี้ยวตัวมั่งจริงๆนะQ&A session is open din adong tet adong tet ting ting aling kupa chu ngin hi I heting in Q&A huni khak din bana pain for of thanks gending in tulela education department secretary how to pa sanction how those yelling gading samani
Okay, sa thấy á. Okay. Okay. Ama sa penin munci mo che om kasyam sin pite chibai kan buk masa tunin ta ka ngana ta kai chial pi Caroline Jingtian moi IS in a sanction te on on mo na jakin asiam na athi na te silo yala man patak man za pi jakin ki pa thu pol pi sikleta in kagena heu tu nu hi mabana sepna vai hin akizat na hiam pi tia hong nam zang to zel ding de sak thu kha ko hi phai bana I webinar series te hong lut pi le pan lak pi dia man gi ge pu pum lun mang wal nam IS advisory board member cheleng nget na banga asut na man pata khon gen sak jakin ki pa wai sama ma hi heting bana he program lo ching the na nga pan anala po pia ke tu pi te kyang leng ki pa tu kon gen hi entertain program o yam pat pi chat nge ilamena e speaker o pi Caroline Jingtian moi kum paisa lama alo chin nine khang thak te tampi hong su ta tho ma UPSC civil service exam peding ke sa ko siam sin te to bang lo ching na mo to the ding in to pan boron zo len ching e tengin kon kon zo di ki pa ke
I top na ini maina I makat one ai I tunia ang thak nidanga amasa especially for those who were not aware of the questions that have to be submitted before the seminar. You can uh, find your way to the chat box, and an email of our speaker would be provided there, and you can ask if you have any questions regarding the exam and other related matters. You can always contact her there. And I'm sure if you're nice and respectful, she'll reply to you. Okay. Hey, tingin tu ni webinar zo hiya. Tu niya even hotel ting tu nga kipa tu kongen tak I tu nung zak chiang ina hey webinar YouTube pa hongki koi ha he pa dinga hiya. Ana patuan pi thi daging te kyang banga share show ni na. He even hi tu niya be mai loa. Aga lian pi ahong swanga mabana civil servant tampi panpi ngai te panpi tu le dopkang tuak te apoi mo huna domkang the tu ding mi tampi ahon sekhan ni leng ilamen hi neve kun om nom le mangpha
Mangpa